We're doing a little jewelry unboxing. I finally got my 4-year sobriety jewelry. It's in here along with 2 other things that I went to get, but my friend ended up getting instead, but he let me unbox. We're gonna unbox all 3 of these little jewelry luxury haul, and he got them, but I'm gonna use them more than him because he's gonna get over them and then I'm gonna use them. Mine. Also, we share everything, so I know that these are actually half mine too. So we're gonna do a little jewelry unboxing. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, Shopaholique, a jewelry junkie, a Cartier collector, a Cartier king, a Van Cleef vagabond. What? A Van Cleef vixen. More Van Cleef. We're gonna do double unboxing of Van Cleef and a Cartier unboxing. If that's interested, please stick around. Please smash the like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching. Like I said, one of these is my 4-year sobriety. So try to guess in the comments below which one you think it is. I would love to hear you guys though. But we're gonna do this unboxing and then we're gonna talk about it. Also, Cartier gave these little chocolates, which I've never gotten before, but I'm very actually because Van Cleef always gives these little like stupid little chocolates that they give the little maison. But this huge box of chocolates I've never got from Cartier before. So like I feel like I'm like becoming like a VIP by sharing. Even though I didn't even buy it. But I was there, so. And look at them. I'm on a diet, so I'm just gonna look at them. I'm not gonna eat them, because we're going to France soon, but. Okay. Okay. Alright. So with the Cartier. This is the Cartier. Comes with the stupid certificate and blah. Nobody needs that. Gas bag. No, nobody needs that. Cleaner kit. Nobody needs that. And the ring! Oh, and the card of the person. That. Okay, so. Okay. So my friend got this. I didn't actually get it, but I'm gonna borrow it when he's not looking. Also, he's sleeping right now, so I stole it. Because he already unboxed it. He took it out of the little thingy. But like, this is the new collection. Cartier 100-year anniversary new collection. I really, really like this. It's like a masculine version of their norm thing because Cartier does have a lot of masculine stuff. The ecrou, the ecrou, it's like all like a little more masculine of a thing. So this is the square version of the Trinity for their 100-year anniversary, which I think is really, actually really cool. It comes in a thin version and a thick version. The thick version was a little too thick, but the thin one is quite beautiful and quite nice. I'm not gonna touch it because it's his and I'm not gonna put it on until I'm allowed to after he gets over it. So when he gets over it in a couple months, you'll see me wearing it. But for now, he's right here. And also, we put our names down. So Cartier is doing like these limited edition watches, like very a la hermes, where you have to be like invited to get a watch. It's like there's only 100 watches made and you have to submit your profile, your purchase history, and what kind of watches you buy and own or whatever, and a little blurb about yourself and what you do and stuff like that in order to be like selected to get a watch, which I think is really funny and interesting. I mean, everyone's just trying to do this kind of thing. Also, I don't know if I mentioned this, I might have mentioned this, but these chocolates, these are so... Thank you, Cartier. I'm taking the chocolates. I'm taking the chocolates. The chocolates are mine. So he also got something from Van Cleef. I'll put insert a video of it, and then we'll do mine. This is what I got. Okay, so my friend got the Cartier ring, and then so this is I'm gonna play the unboxings here next to these whilst I tell you the story. So we went in. My essay texted me. First of all, this is my 4-year sobriety bracelet. My 4-year sobriety jewelry bracelet. Even though I'm starting my time over now because I'm going to do 4 years. I have 4 years of time, but I'm starting again with not drinking. But I have 4 years of time not drinking, but I haven't actually done the program properly. So I'm starting my time over the program. More on that later, but basically I'm starting from step 1 again and really committing to the program. So I'm counting my days again in terms of the program, which is a separate thing. I'm going to hold myself accountable to do it properly this time and to actually follow steps with my new sponsor and my old sponsor and do it the right way. Really commit to it, be willing, and all of those kind of things. So I'm restarting my time again for that. So I'm day counting right now. So of me committing to the program and doing sobriety, the whole holistic, not just not drinking and being dry, but actually being sober, and everything comes with the promises and all that, blah, blah, blah. This is my 4-year sobriety for not drinking. 4 years. Right, so this, I finally got it. It's 4 months late, but it's fine. 4 months, 14 days late. I got it on Tuesday, and we're unboxing it. We're gonna do the unboxing, and it's gonna be great. The video's in parts, so I'm sorry about that. Okay, so anyway, I'm gonna post the unboxings while I tell a story. So basically, my essay had texted me, and she said she had this bracelet, this necklace that I wanted that's been on my wish list for 2 years that they never get in. It was the rose gold hammer 1 motif pendant, which they never get in, and I really wanted it, and I was waiting for it. So I said, oh, good, I'd love to come up see it, but I said there are a few other things I want to look at for my as well. One was the magic alhambra long necklace, 1 motif with in the mother of pearl, which I thought would be good for my 4 years because it's long and I want a long necklace. I love long necklaces, a little more like unique and less common than that necklace, for example. And also it's just really pretty, and it's so long that I can take it on and off because I wanted something that I could wear all the time, like these I wear all the time. And I was considering a necklace instead of a bracelet because I feel like I don't want to get my stack too full. Although this is, in my mind, my goal was to get something from Van Cleef, like the 4 motif necklace, either the vintage or the magic, for 4 years, and then get the 5 motif bracelet for 5 years, and then eventually get the 10 and the 20 for 10 and 20, and so on. And then for 6, I was gonna get the Bulgari one, and then maybe at one point another. Or I was also thinking the ecrou because it has 5 screws, but I think that maybe Cartier might be, I might pause for a minute because I have a bunch of Cartier. So anyway, and I didn't love the Dior, didn't love the Chanel, and I didn't really want to get the hermes thing. So it was down to these guys. So anyway, so we went in and great experience, lovely. Van Cleef's very great to their customers, a very good customer experience, just like Cartier. They're both very, 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 very good customer experiences. You never really have to wait in a line. Cartier, sometimes you do, but Van Cleef, it's appointment only. So you still have that luxury experience, which I really, really like. And it's very like coffee, like sit, like relax, look around, blah, blah. They never have anything in stock though. They're always out of stock of everything. They never get shipments. They happen to have gotten a new shipment April 1st, I believe, because of it's a new calendar year. So, and she said she had this pendant, which they never really have. Apparently, they never really have. Somebody had accidentally ordered 2 from a long time ago, and so there was 1 extra one. She brought it out. I tried it on. My friend tried it on. We both liked it. He actually really, really, really liked it too. And then she brought out a few other things. She brought the 5 motif for him. I wanted the 5 motif from rose gold, and I said, can I order it for the end of next year to be my 5-year sobriety thing? And she's like, I can't even do that for you. There's no way to order it. It's so coveted. So just so you know, it's very, very hard to get. I don't know if a VIP client can get it, but I couldn't get it. Not that I am. This is like my second Van Cleef thing, so I'm not. Actually, it's only my first Van Cleef thing because the first one I got was that carnelian that I unboxed on the channel like 2 years ago. I ended up returning it because I didn't love it because it was so small and it was carnelian. I had to take it on and off and every day, and I wanted something I can just wear. And that's why I like the 1 motif vintage. I wish they would have made it in magic, but they only made it in vintage. And that's why I like the magic because it was so long with the mother of pearl that you could just take it off and on easily. Like you don't have to clasp it in the back. I don't want something that I have to clasp every day. That would be very difficult for a necklace. I wanted something that's just easy to keep on. That's why I like the bracelets because they're just gold and easy to keep on. I don't like too much of the other stone things that Van Cleef has. Van Cleef has a lot of that stuff. But I didn't mind so much. So I returned the carnelian for credit. So I was also using my credit. So I didn't mind so much. It's really actually my first thing. So but the 5 motif, anyway, the 5 motif is impossible to get. And I didn't mind it for the magic. So she brought out the magic as well. She happened to have one. I guess it's because it's not as common. It is popular. There are a few available. There are a few available in the US. There's actually, I texted my Paris essay and he had one too, but he responded after. So I didn't know if he had it or not. So anyway, long story short, my friend ended up, I said, you get that one if you like it, if you love it. And I know my friend, I was like, we're going to share it either way. And also eventually he's going to get tired of it and I'm going to get it because he's not going to want it. Like all the time, happens to a T all the time. He will get bored of something or think it's unlucky or whatever. And then he'll just gift it to me. Or he'll give it to me or gift it to me. So I was like, fine, you get it and I can borrow whatever I want. And I ended up biting the bullet and getting the magic one. So I got both. So I got that one and he got that one. So I thought I got both. And then of course, lo and behold, literally a day later after he bought it, he thought it was bad luck. So he gifted it to me for my 4 years. So now I have both. So I got 2 4-year sobriety. So I got 8 years. So I don't know what I'm going to do. I think that I was thinking about wearing just the 4 motif vintage every day and then the magic on special occasions. But I really like wearing the magic every day too. So I don't know what I'm going to do. So I got them both. And as a reveal, I'm already wearing them. So here's the vintage. It's a little, I'm going to get it sized, add a couple more links because it's a little tight right now. I did the trick where you like loop it, where you connect it to my other necklace. So they're both connected, so they're not supposed to tangle, but it's still tangled and it somehow is tighter. So I'm gonna figure out how to get it less tighter, but here's the vintage one. And then here's the magic one. And I have the magic one set on the shortest of the 3 settings. It's got 3 settings. So you can make it longer, or you can double it up, or you can tie it around and do it short and long, which I'm kind of doing here. I wouldn't do that right now, but you could double it up and kind of put it right here too. So it can go there or there. It can go there or there or here. And then it's got 2 more things down. So it literally can wear it a bunch of different ways. But oh my God, it's so beautiful, you guys. I actually really, 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 really like this magic one. It's so, so pretty. It's beautiful, okay? And then this, also beautiful. And this I can wear every day. This I just have to take on and off, but it's so easy to take on and off, right? And if it was at the longest setting, it'd be even easier. And I do kind of like this little lariat thing. And I also feel like there's a way I can make this like a lariat like this. I can wear it like this too. If I really wanted to. And do it that way. And then just tuck this behind. Let's do it like that. Okay. And have it be a lariat like that too. I could do it like that. It's also kind of cool. I feel like there's so many different ways to do this. I'll get into more ways to wear this and more ways to wear this and how I'm going to do this. I'm going to get them both extended 2 inches, but 4 years. I got 4, 16. No, 8. 4 times 4. 4 squared. 4 plus 4. I don't know. And I'm sure at some point or another, he's going to get he's gonna get bored with that ring, and I'm gonna get that Trinity ring too. I do love that he gives me all this stuff. He does give me a lot of his stuff, which is really, really nice. He's actually a very, very, very good friend. Very, very, like my best friend. I love him so much. And the most generous, selfless person. I love you, Andrew. Okay. Anyway, yeah. What do you guys think? I'm actually really excited. I don't know if I should wear this every day or not. I mean, I kind of like wearing it every day, but also, and then also I can put this over my clothes. Like, okay. And it also goes, like, it changes color a little bit. So if I'm wearing something green, it kind of looks a little green. If I'm wearing something like red or pink, it looks a little more red or pink. Okay, watch. I can just take this out, put it over my hoodie, and just wear it on the outside, right? And then the hoodie actually hides the lariat part, so that's kind of fine. And then this, can you stick it right here? And I mean, I'm in love. I've wanted Van Cleef for a very long time. I do not think it's an ick. I know everybody's talking about how everyone has it now. I don't care. It's not an ick. People have the fake ones, fine, whatever. But I'm going to get the real one, and it's going to be beautiful, and I'm going to love it on my hand because I'm going to get it for 5 years, and it's going to be amazing. And it's so nice and so delicate. It feels so luxurious. It just makes you feel so good. And the packaging, it came with, I was lucky enough to get the box and everything. Like, I know they don't do that anymore, but like, I feel lucky. I feel special. I feel amazing. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. I'm really, really, really excited by this. Really, really excited by this, okay? And then I'm going to film one more video right now, but I'm going to post it next week. It's going to be a good one. I accidentally got a Kelly, okay? Accidentally got it a while ago. You'll see the full video story, but I actually got it a little bit a while ago. And I'll talk about it in a sec. But I'm still going to Paris to try to get another one because I want to get another one. But I got one, and I'm going to tell you all about it in the store. In the story. Yay! Okay. That's coming out. Okay, so stay tuned for that. Okay. Van Cleef! I'm so excited. Okay. Also, guys, again, if you don't follow me on TikTok, please go and follow me on TikTok. I'm trying so hard on there. Please. Okay. I really, really appreciate it. I hope you guys are having an amazing. I am going to post a couple more videos and post my YouTube shorts. Go check out my YouTube shorts. That's all I got. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Andrew. Thank you, Andrew, for giving me your bracelet and your necklace. Thank you, Andrew, for giving me your necklace. I love you so much. Thank you, Andrew. Thank you for this. Oh yeah, so I could have. The other thing was I could have gotten it. Man, I actually could have gotten this in Paris. I found out right after that they do have it available in Paris too. So I would have saved like a couple $100 on it, but YOLO. I'll get something else there maybe. I don't know. I need to stop spending. Stop spending money. Stop. I really gotta stop, you guys. Okay, this has got to be, for a little bit, Shopaholique. After I post all these videos, Shopaholique is going to be just news and updates and no more shopping. No more shopping. I can't even convince myself. I can't convince myself. But you guys are going to convince me, right? No more shopping? Right? Okay. Anyway, that's all I got. I'll see you guys in the next one, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Andrew. I love you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, share it with your enemies and exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. So I appreciate you spending more time here with me. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.